$16,871 profit. That's the trading result from our commodity and futures trading according to COT data for week 44. Welcome to Insider Week. In this video, I'm going to review the trades of this week and the corresponding results. Before we get started, I'd like to invite you to join us for a free informational webinar where you will have a chance to learn more about how we trade futures in our spare time and discuss the trading opportunities for the upcoming week. Now let's get back to the trades for this week. First, in our COT1 strategy, we went into last week with a short position in palladium, and at the end of the week, we have an open position in soybeans. When we look at the CRB index, which is the commodity price index, we can see that commodity prices have remained strong against the seasonal trend. The seasonal trend has now reached its low, which gives us confidence that commodity prices may continue to rise in the coming weeks in line with the seasonal trend. If this holds true, we will focus more on long trades than short trades. Let's have a look at our COT1 strategy for last week. Here, the markets we identified for possible trades and the direction we expect each market to move. If you're a subscriber to Insider Week, you will recognize this watch list from the members area of our website. Now let's take a look at the trades for the COT1 strategy. First market is palladium. Here on the weekly chart, we see that we received a sell signal a few weeks ago, and we entered this market with a short position once we detected an entry pattern. On the daily chart for palladium, we used a correction to the downward trend to enter the market with a short trade. Our profit target was reached, and we closed the trade with a profit of $3,200. You can see that the market continued to move in the expected direction, but we did not re-enter the market because the U.S. Federal Reserve Board was meeting last week to raise interest rates, and we know that this can cause unexpected volatility in the markets that we trade. So we wait and look for another opportunity to enter in this market. The next market is gasoline. You can see from the weekly chart here that we did not receive a signal in gasoline, but we did receive a buy signal in crude oil. Since gasoline and crude oil are corollary markets, we chose to trade gasoline as it was a stronger market. On the daily chart for gasoline, you can see that the market is in an upward trend, so we used the recent correction to open a long position. We closed the position before our profit target was reached, again before the U.S. Federal Reserve Board meeting last week. We still made a profit of $13,671. This market is strong, so we will look for another opportunity to enter this market. The next market is soybeans. Here on the weekly chart, you can see we received several buy signals at the same support level, and the seasonal trend is increasing, so we looked for a long trade in this market. On the daily chart for soybeans, we detected a good entry pattern last week and entered the market with a long trade. You'll notice that the stop loss is quite wide at this point, as we do expect a downward correction to occur before the trend continues towards our profit target. We will move our stop upward to reduce our risk as the continuation to the upside occurs. Our last market from the watch list is rough rice. In rough rice, we got a buy signal based on COT data. In this daily chart, you can see that the price moved in the direction of our signal. However, we didn't find an entry pattern last week, but this market is still interesting to us, and we will put it on the watch list for the upcoming week. Next, let's have a look at our COT2 strategy, the so-called champion strategy. This strategy is more aggressive and recommended only for advanced traders. As you can see, we started into the week with an empty portfolio, and we ended the week also with an empty portfolio. We will remain patient and will continue to look for new trading opportunities in the coming week. Here is the performance for the COT2 strategy. As you can see, it remains unchanged for this last week. Our last trading strategy is the weather trading strategy. In this strategy, we combine COT data with fundamental extreme weather analysis to identify strong trends in the commodity markets. For last week, We did not open or close any positions, so our performance remains unchanged. We currently hold some commodity-related stocks, but will close these positions when the time is right and focus exclusively on trading futures markets, which for us provides a higher return on capital. That's it from our side this week. Of course, we'd love to hear from you. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, please consider giving this video a like if you enjoy our weekly commentary on trading. And be sure to click the subscribe button to get notified as soon as we post the next weekly market analysis. We hope this video helps you prepare for the upcoming trading week. And as always, be aware of the risk, because risk management is the key to success in trading. If you want to learn more about how we trade futures in our spare time, please visit our website at insider-week.com. Thank you for your time and have a great trading week.